Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with University of Abuja Chemistry Post UTME Past question 17. It says Lucas reagent is used to test for A. Alkanes, B. Alkanoic acids, C. Alkanols, and D. amines. Now, Lucas reagent. Now, it says Lucas reagent. Now, what are the functions of Lucas reagents? Now, the first thing you ask yourself is, what is Lucas reagent, or what are Lucas reagents or Lucas solutions? Now, these reagents are solutions. They are solutions of anhydrous zinc chloride. Now, anhydrous zinc chloride solution in concentrated hydrochloric acid, in conc HCl, in concentrated hydrochloric acid. These solutions are called Lucas reagents. Now, this solution is used to classify alcohols. It is used to classify alcohols, which are the alkanols. Now, to classify alkanols into their various groups, you will use Lucas reagent. Now, alkanols of low molecular weight. Now, the whole concept of this Lucas reagent, the reaction is a substitution reaction in which the chloride replaces a hydroxyl group. Now, the chloride ion in the Lucas reagent, like I told you, is a zinc chloride. So the chloride ion replaces a hydroxyl group. Now, that substitution reaction, the effect of that substitution reaction helps us to be able to identify the particular alkanol that we are dealing with. So Lucas reagent is used to test for alkanols. C is the correct option C. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.